Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make a super juicy garlic butter pork chops. These pork chops are so juicy, tender, and yet super flavorful. But before I begin showing you guys how to make it, don't forget to give this video you're watching right now a thumbs up if you enjoy. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's begin. Alright guys, first thing I'll be doing is seasoning my pork chops. Here I have 2 bone-in pork chops. I am going to be adding a little bit of olive oil on there, flip it over and rub the oil in. Here's the seasoning I'll be using: Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, creole seasoning, ground black pepper, salt, and paprika. So we're going to mix that together. And now we're going to season our pork chop generously. Flip it over, season the other side. To make the garlic butter, it's very easy. I am going to chop some parsley. Some rosemary and thyme. Next, I have some garlic cloves that I'll be chopping as well. Okay guys, to make the garlic butter, I am going to be using 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add our parsley. I'm going to be adding the garlic. All right. The thyme and the rosemary. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper flakes. Now you can measure that with your heart. And also I am going to be adding some pepper flakes. And make sure your butter is room temperature. And you're going to mix that in. Okay. Now we're about to cook the pork chops. I am going to be adding a little bit of oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil to my cast iron. I'm going to cook the pork chops for about 12 minutes, 6 minutes per side on medium low heat. Okay, I don't want it to burn, so that's what we're going to do. So once that side is nice and cooked, we'll flip it over. All right, it looks like one side is nice and cooked. I am going to flip it over. Oh yes, it's looking good. Flip the other side. And we're also going to be cooking the side because you want the side to be nice and cooked, especially because this is a bone-in pork chop. You want it to be fully cooked but not dry. My pork chop is nice and cooked. Now I'm going to add in my garlic butter right on top, just like that. Okay, so it can be nice and saucy and buttery and garlicky. Now we're going to baste the pork chops with that butter. And at this point, it's nice and ready. It is done. Okay, guys? Just like that. This is how easy it is to make some garlic butter pork chop. I am ready to try these pork chops. They smell good. I know they taste good. So let's give it a try, guys. Let's give it a try. It's nice and juicy and hot. Let's go. Oh my God. So juicy. Gotta try it with the mashed potatoes. Wow. The garlic, the rosemary, you can taste all of that. It's not spicy, just perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you tuning in for today's recipe. Also, don't forget to give this video you're watching right now a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new here, join the family, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.